Assalamu alaikum. This math for class 7. Class 7 students see this. Buying price of 8 amluki is taka 5. If 6 amluki is sold taka 5, what is the percentage of profit or loss? Cost price of 8 amluki 5 taka. Therefore, cost price of 1 amluki 5 by 8 taka. Selling price of 6 amluki 5 taka. Selling price of 1 amluki 5 by 6 taka. Therefore, profit per piece 5 by 8 cost price and 5 by 6 selling price. Selling price is higher, so it will be profit. 5 by 6 minus 5 by 8, LCM of 6 and 8, 24. 24 is divided by 6, 4. 4 is multiplied with 5, 20. Then minus 24 is divided by 8, 3. 3 multiplied with 5, 15. 20 minus 15 equal to 5 by 4. And we have to calculate profit on cost price. Profit is 5 by 8 taka, 5 by 24 taka, and cost price is 1 amluki 5 by 8 taka. 1 amluki cost price 5 by 8 taka. On 5 by 8 taka profit is made 5 by 24 taka. 1 taka profit is made. 1 is greater than 5 by 8, so profit will be higher, and in fraction bigger one will go up. 8 is greater than 5, so 8 will go up and 5 will come down. 5 by 24, then this is 5 by 8, 5 is coming down and 8 is going up. Then on 100 taka, 100 is greater than 1, so 100 will be multiplied 100. Now see, 5 and 5 cut. 24 is divided by 8, 3. Then 100 by 3 taka. And divide 100 by 3, we are getting 33 whole 1 by 3. Then profit is 33 whole 1 by 3%. Next statement. If selling price of a watch is taka 625, the loss is 10%. What should be price of the watch if profit of 10% is to be gained by selling it? At 10% loss, selling price is 625 taka. We have to find out cost price. And to gain 10% profit, we have to find out selling price. First, let's find out cost price. At 10% loss, if loss 100 minus 10, 90. If selling price is 90, cost price is 100. If selling price is 625, cost price will be 100 by 90 multiply 625. See, selling price 90, cost price 100. Selling price if 1, then cost price will be 100 by 90. If selling price 625, cost price will be 100 by 90 multiplied 625. 0 and 0 cut. Then here even 625 multiply 10. 6250 by 9. This is the cost price. Now see, to gain 10% profit, at 10% profit 100 plus 10. If cost price is 100 taka, then selling price will be 110 taka. And now cost price is 6250 by 9. We have to find out the selling price. If cost price is 100 taka, selling price is 110. If cost price is 1, selling price is 110 by 100. If cost price is 6250 by 9, selling price will be 110 by 100, 6250 by 9. Then this 0 and this 0 you can cut, and this 0 and this 0 cut, remain 625 multiply 11. by 9. If 625 we multiplied by 11, we will get 6875. This 6875 we have to divide by 9. If we divide by 9, we are getting 763 whole 8 by 9. 763 whole 8 by 9. The selling price at 10% profit, selling price will be 763 whole 8 by 9 taka. Another statement, a boat can travel 6 km per hour in still water. Against the current, the boat needs thrice that time to travel 6 km. Against the current, it takes thrice the time of actual speed. How long does the boat need to travel 50 km along the current? See, speed in still water 6 km per hour. The still water speed is called actual speed of the boat 6 km per hour, and against the current to go 6 km it takes twice the time, 3 hours time takes. Against the current in 3 hours can travel 6 km, in 1 hour can travel 6 divide 3 2 km. This is the effective speed against the current 2 km per hour. Against the speed 2 km per hour. So we have to find out speed of the current. Speed of the current, the formula is actual speed minus effective speed against the current. Actual speed in still water 6 km per hour and against the current speed 2 km. We subtract, we are getting 4 km per hour, and this 4 km per hour is the speed of the current. Therefore, effective speed along the current, if we want to find out the actual speed plus speed of the current. Actual speed of the boat is 6 km and speed of the current is 4 km. Then in favor of the current, it can go 6 plus 4, 10 km per hour. Now 10 km along the current, 10 km can go in 1 hour. Therefore 50 km can go 50 divided by 10, 5 hours. So to go 50 km in favor of the current, it will take 5 hours. Please practice this math. Thank you.